In this video, we'll be having a look at whether there exists a number a such that the limit as x goes to -2 of 3x squared plus ax plus a plus 3 divided by x squared plus x minus 2 exists. And if so, we have to find the value of a and the value of the limit. The first thing we can observe is that as x approaches -2, the value of x squared plus x minus 2 will approach -2 squared and plus -2 and minus 2. And this gives us 4 minus 2 minus 2, which is 0. So this is the denominator of this fraction here. So we can see if the limit of the numerator, where the numerator is 3x squared plus ax plus a plus 3, if this limit as x goes to -2 was not equal to 0, this would be a problem. And the reason this is a problem is because then the entire fraction will approach plus or minus infinity, and this is because the denominator approaches 0 but the numerator doesn't have a limit of 0. So it will approach plus or minus infinity. So when x goes to this is say negative, should say -2 over here. So as x goes to -2 from either direction, we have the fraction goes to plus or minus infinity, so the limit will not exist. So this means we require the limit of the numerator 3x squared plus ax plus a plus 3 to be 0 as x approaches -2. And since 3x squared plus ax plus a plus 3 is a polynomial function, then the limit as x goes to -2 of it will just be the same as substituting x equals -2, and we get 3 times -2 all squared minus 2a plus 3, and this is 15 minus a. So since the limit must be 0, we need to have 15 minus a equals 0, which gives us a equals 15. So now after we make a equals 15, the limit of the fraction, we replace the instances of a with 15, which is over here. So now we get the limit of 3x squared plus 15x plus 15 plus 3 divided by x squared plus x minus 2 as x approaches -2. And this 15 plus 3 gives us 18 over here. And next we can take a factor of 3 out in the numerator. And now we can also observe we can factorize the quadratics in the numerator and the denominator. So we get x plus 2 times x plus 3 in the numerator and x plus 2 times x minus 1 in the denominator. And now we can see since x plus 2 is not equal to 0 when x is not equal to -2 but approaches -2, it means we can cancel out the x plus 2's. So we can cancel these two out, and we end up with 3 times x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. And now putting x equals -2, we end up getting 3 times -2 plus 3 divided by -2 minus 1. And this is equal to 3 divided by -3, which is -1. So this is the value of the limit. So we have a equals 15 and value of the limit should say -1. So the limit of the value of the limit is minus 1. So we have -1. Okay, so that finishes this limit question where we have to find the value of a such that the limit exists and also find what the value of the limit is. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.